So before going to learn Power Builder, you should have some basic idea
Okay.
of any language
Okay.
who support all the OOPS concept. Okay, so I will suggest you both go and learn some basics functionality of C++ because Power Builder is built on C++. Okay, so
Okay.
it
Okay,
will
sir.
be helpful when you will start learning Power Builder. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so I have prepared uh, this document. Okay, where I have drawn this diagram as well. Okay, so we'll go one by one. Okay, so if you will see what is a Power Builder. Okay, so as per this definition says, Power Builder is an enterprise development tool that allow to build many types of application and components. It is one of the group of Sybase products that together provide tools to develop client and server, multi-tier and internet applications. Okay, so what is mean that means Power Builder owned by Sybase. Okay, means Sybase is a company, okay, like Oracle, Google, Microsoft, which is build Power Builder technology. जो Power Builder को बनाया है वो Sybase ने बनाया.
जी.
ओके,
Okay, sir.
और Power Builder से हम एप्लीकेशन बनाते हैं क्लाइंट एंड सर्वर सपोर्ट. हम
जी.
एप्लीकेशन बनाते हैं
जी.
means it will be work as front end, but behind we will use database tables. Okay,
जी, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है? और let me
जी.
draw one diagram as well in front of you so that you can get better clarity. Okay, so just a minute. So let's suppose I want create one application for my institute management. Okay,
Okay.
so what I will do, I need to give name of project, right? So I will give institute management. Okay, institute management. Okay, so as per my requirement, okay, I will take a help to build this application Power Builder language. In short, we can say PB. Okay, PB. PB is 10 Power Builder. Okay, so I am trying to give a overview. Okay, so don't take much as deeply. Okay, ये जो है ना मैं सिर्फ एक पिक्चर क्रिएट करना चाहता हूँ तुम दोनों के माइंड में कि हम पावर
जी।
बिल्डर को का यूज कैसे करते हैं। ओके, सो
ओके।
लेट्स सपोज कि मैं जो है ना एक अपना इंस्टीट्यूट मैनेजमेंट करने का एप्लीकेशन बनाना चाहता हूँ। ओके, और
जी।
वेरी क्विक टाइम में अगर मेरे पास में 5 दिन है। ओके, और विद इन
जी।
5 days आई वांट टू फुल फ्लेज विंडो बेस्ड ERP टाइप एप्लीकेशन।
एप्लीकेशन।
हाँ, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं जो है ना एक नाम दे दूंगा मेरे प्रोजेक्ट। ठीक है, तो
जी।
हम और अंदर जाएंगे इसके कि व्हेन वी विल क्रिएट फर्स्ट रिक्वायर्ड अ क्लास ऑब्जेक्ट,
जी।
राइट, एंड आफ्टर दैट
जी।
मेथड फंक्शंस इवेंट, राइट। तो वो
जी।
हम बाद में जाएंगे। ठीक है, तो लेट सपोज कि मैंने जो है ना एक एप्लीकेशन बना दिया। ठीक है, ये मेरा एक
जी।
एप्लीकेशन बन गया जो HR का मतलब कि जो भी बंदा है उसकी भी पूरी डिटेल ले रहा है। ठीक है, स्टूडेंट की
जी।
भी डिटेल रहा है, जितने ट्रेनर है उनकी भी डिटेल ले रहा है। ठीक है, उनके
जी।
पेमेंट की भी डिटेल ले रहा है। ये सब रिक्वायरमेंट है मेरी। ओके, तो मैंने एक ये एप्लीकेशन बना दिया, मेरा एप्लीकेशन रेडी हो गया।
जी।
ठीक है, ये मेरा एक एप्लीकेशन रेडी हो गया जो मेरा जो HR है डिपार्ट की। ठीक है,
जी।
ओके, सो HR will use. Okay,
जी।
so let's suppose I have created a student table, right?
राइट।
Student, teacher, right? Teacher, payment, subject, right? Hari, you can ask, okay,
Okay.
when you have any doubt, because I am taking a reference as a Hindi, okay, because Rinku is comfortable with Hindi. Okay, so
Okay.
stop me, okay, when you didn't understand. Okay,
Okay.
so let's suppose this is my front end I have created in Power Builder. So when I will enter, okay, any student detail, teacher detail, payment related detail, subject detail, so where it will store, right? Because we want to store, because if the new student will come, I will take a registration. Okay, so that a student detail will save into database, right? So I will create table into database, right? So let's suppose this is the database. Okay, and database maybe have Oracle, okay, SQL server, SQL server. Okay, so here I will create tables related all your requirement, right? So when I will enter any information related a student, so it will go a student table. When I will enter teacher, so it will go into teacher table. When I will update some payment, it will go into payment related. So overall, what picture will create here means जब भी आप एप्लीकेशन पावर बिल्डर में बनाते हैं, राइट, तो पावर बिल्डर यूज for creating ERP kind of application, right? मतलब कि हम जो है ना फ्रंट एंड बनाते हैं, राइट, पावर बिल्डर से।
जी जी सर।
और जो भी डेटा है हमारा, वो डेटा विल स्टोर बिहाइंड दी
डाटा
database
टेबल।
table, right?
जी
So Power Builder will give a transaction object, right? Which will help to storing and fetching data from the
जी
database. Power Builder provide a driver. Okay. So, or you can say Power Builder support JDBC connection, right?
राइट।
JDBC connection for making connection from Power Builder to any database. ODBC or JDBC. ODBC or JDBC. Okay. So this is the first thing will come in this discussion, right? ये हमारा ODBC और JDBC फर्स्ट टेक्निकल थिंग आई है अभी हमने जो भी डिस्कशन किया। ओके, पावर बिल्डर सपोर्ट ODBC JDBC connection for connecting any kind of database, because for connecting any database we require this property, right?
राइट।
So with this property we can make a connection to communicate data from Power Builder to database and database to Power Builder.
एस टू पावर बिल्डर।
Got it? Any confusion?
नो सर।
Okay. What's in a Power Builder application? Okay. So a user interface, menu, window controls, and user interact with no direct and application. Application processing logic, event, and functions is script. Okay. So means Power Builder have objects, right? Because Power Builder is a object oriented language or tool. Okay, we can use Power Builder in a two type of use, right? It will use as a language, it is used as a tool, right? Language is used for the writing your logic, or it is working as a tool when it is means when your application will build, right? So Power Builders have objects like menu, window control, data window. Okay, so these all the detail will understand one by one when actual we will start, right? So Power Builder application are event driven. Okay, so Power Builder based on the events. Okay, so that's why it's called event driven.
Can Can you explain me briefly about the event driven? I am not able to understand clearly on the event driven.
Right, right. So let me draw here. Okay. So just a minute. Let's suppose this is the Power Builder application. Okay. And Power Builder application support many events. Okay. Like open and close, close query, close query. Okay. So let's suppose I have this means window, main window, right? So my when my application will start, okay, it will open, right? Because I want to open the main window. So I will write, I will use this event, right? So application also have some set of events. Okay. So when Power Builder will start, it will call event. Okay.
Okay.
So here also have application start, right? So application will start. Okay. So application will start and it will call open to open the main window. So event is a set of instructions. Okay. Means when we want to open, we will call this event. When we want to close, we will call this one. So most of the uh, events used for different purpose. Got it? Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me.
Uh, Hari, uh, means you got it?
Yeah, yeah. If you want to
Means,
open the Power Builder tool, there are the some controls
right, right.
to
So
open or
these are
close or.
the not a control. Okay. These are the events.
Okay, okay.
And events is a predefined steps.
It is inbuilt to system or inbuilt to
Inbuilt,
Power Builder tool. Power Builder.
inbuilt the Power.
Okay.
Okay. So all your functionality will work on top of events.
Okay,
Means
okay.
if I want to close, I want to call close event, right?
Okay, okay. I can.
Hmm. If I want to open, I want call open event.
Okay.
So when you will call, it will close window. When you will call this, it will open. So overall, we can say Power Builder is a event driven. Okay. Or when we are writing the logic, okay, we will use Power Script language. Means Power Builder has its own language set of statements we called Power Script. Okay. So Power Builder, it's also given a functionality to write embedded SQL. Means you can write your all SQL statements. Is called embedded SQL. Okay. So we will learn into depth when we will start actually the Power Builder class. Okay. So it's just for the overview. Okay. So Power Builder will also support your all statements like select, insert, update, delete, cursor. Okay. So we can use these. Power Builder is a object-oriented language. So obviously it will support all the ops oops concept. Okay. Like inheritance, polymorphism, right? So these are the all concept it will follow. So I just draw this diagram as per my understanding. Okay. So let's suppose this is the Power Builder application. Okay. So we can create Power Builder application on top of client and server, right? So client is a user which is used Power Builder application. Server is a database where we will store our information. Okay. So Power Builder is based on the that windows, right? Because we are using main window or data window. Okay. And data control window. Okay. So these are the all objects we are using inside the Power Builder. Okay. So if you will see this is a window. Okay. We can create number of windows. Okay. Inside the window, we can create number of data window. Okay. So window have a different type. Okay. And data window have also type. Okay. So that communication will happen with the help of ODBC and JDBC property. Okay. Later, now Power Builder is handled by Appian. Okay. So Appian is added some libraries inside the Power Builder, which is support your .NET. Means if you want to create your application based, so you can use .NET. I means classes or objects. C#. Okay, so now the Appian is handling. Okay, that version release or new feature adding. Okay, so they are working to making that mobile application into Power Builder. Okay, but the stable version now I think 20 20 they have released, but the stable version is like 8, 9, 10, 12.5. Okay, so these are the stable version. Okay, so if you will see, these are the some Power Builder objects is there, right? Or you can say button, right? Button. So we will means use one by one. Okay, I just take a print screen. Okay, just for the reference. Okay, so this button is used when you are going to create new workspace. Okay, this is for the inheritance, and this is for opening preview. System tree is there. Okay, and it is used for the running the application. This is for the browse object variable inside your code. So these are the all uh, that buttons is there. Okay, and these are the objects. Okay, like application. So application also object, window, data window, menu, global function, query, structure, user object, pipeline, projects. Okay, so it is giving uh, description parallelly the name. Okay, so this is all about Power Builder demo. Okay, so I have a tutorial. A lot of tutorial is there. Okay, so I will share one by one when we will start. Power Builder ebook. Okay, so these are the all tutorials I have. Okay, and I have some interviews. Document is also there. So all question and answer is there. Okay, and it will help to crack your interview. Okay, for the detail for understanding Power Builder, you can go through. These are the tutorials. Okay, but when we will start, I will cover all the important concepts to develop or means support that any application. Okay, and one more thing I want to explain what things you need to prepare from database side, right? So from database side, first we will see what a language concept we need to read, right? So how language will work, right? Will work, right? Where oops concept, right? And classes object, method, function, and scope of variable. Scope of variable. Okay. And the scope of method. Scope of, okay. So you just go through. Okay. So you get some idea, right? Before going to jump into Power Builder, right? So you can note down. I also recorded this session. Okay, so you will also get this video in the YouTube channel. Okay, so in database side, what things you need to read, right? Database. So basic query, right? Second, difference between all the features, like what is TDL, right? What is DML, TCL, or DCL. Okay. And after index, let's store procedure. Not in depth, but you have all means knowledge. हमको ये पता होना चाहिए कि इसको प्रोसीजर की फंक्शनैलिटी क्या है, ओके, कैसे वर्क करता है फंक्शन, क्योंकि ये जो चीजें हैं इंटरव्यू में पूछी जा सकती है, ठीक है। सो इसकी वजह से आपको ये पढ़ना है। और फिर इसके बाद में क्या आता है, ट्रिगर। ट्रिगर ट्रिगर क्या होता है, और सो यही मतलब बेसिक है। अभी पावर बिल्डर स्टार्ट करने के पहले आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट अपनी तरफ से पढ़ने, क्योंकि अगर मैं इन चीजों को लेकर के चलाना तो बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा। ओके, सो आप अपनी तरफ से पढ़ो, और यदि कोई क्वेरी रहती है तो फिर आप मुझसे मेरे साथ में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। एनी डाउट? मेरी भी तुम लोगों को कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ सकते हो, कोई डाउट है? हरि प्रसाद,
Yeah, tell me.
do you have any query?
I need to go through this video once more, then I will maybe able to understand. As per now, what you explained till now, I can understand.
Okay,
So,
so I want to clarify one more thing. Okay, in the market
okay,
we have two type of job. on the Power Builder technology. One is development, okay, and second, support application, support running application,
Okay.
okay. So is based on you will get job on top of your interview preparation.
Okay.
Interview preparation. Okay. If you are very good in all concept and have hands-on knowledge, so you will get development project. If have some knowledge, but you are good to analyze, you are good to find error in the application, right? So you will get support job. Okay. So I thought this will help when you will prepare yourself.
Okay.
Still have any doubt?
Actually, things I have more having more age gap, so it is suitable to crack this with this course or not. I don't know because already I got a challenge in the HSBC.
No, that HSBC have very challenging things.
Okay.
Okay. So that is different, and this is purely different. So don't keep this mind that whatever HSBC you faced in the HSBC,
Yes,
the
sir.
same thing will face from the this technology side. No, that thought you need to leave before going to start this. Okay, आपको ना वो जो थॉट है कि HSBC पे मुझे ये फेस करना पड़ा, ठीक है, वो एक अलग चीज है, ये एकदम अलग है. ओके. Any doubt? If you want more clarity, you can call me in my cell phone. We will discuss and I will try to sort out your all queries. Okay.
And at what time you are want to take a session? I don't know now. Is there is any particular time to take session? Because
I will give in the weekend.
you will
Saturday
give
and Sunday. Weekend.
on weekends.
Right.
No, what you are trying to say? Weekend. You can inform on weekends.
No, I will give training on weekend.
Weekends only na. Saturday, Sunday.
Right.
Okay.
2 to 3 hours. I will give that all the subjects related training, so that you can cover. Okay, when doesn't have class, right? Monday to Friday, and
Okay.
with all your query, you can discuss in weekend, and I will also continue with the all topics. Okay.
At what time you are going to take session to us?
Anytime when you will available.
Okay.
Okay. रिंकू, तुम्हारे पास में कोई क्वेरी है क्या?
No.
किसी भी प्रकार
तो सर
की?
क्लास संडे सैटरडे तो हुआ करेगी?
हाँ, सैटरडे संडे होगी ना.
हेलो.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
जी.
सैटरडे संडे होगी. पूरे टॉपिक्स और जो भी तुम्हारा अभी अभी क्या है कि मैंने जो है ना अभी
जी
पावर बिल्डर अनइंस्टॉल कर दिया था, ठीक है, ड्यू टू
जी
सम इशू। बट अभी मुझे दोबारा से इंस्टॉल
जी
करना पड़ेगा और हम आगे की क्लास
जी
पे करेंगे ताकि तुम लोग भी अपने सिस्टम पर इंस्टॉल कर सको। अगर हरि प्रसाद इफ डजंट हैव,
सर मेरे में तो है।
नहीं तुम्हारे में तो है, बट if Hari Prasad doesn't have now, so I will give in the drive, so he can download from there and install. Okay.
ओ,
Okay, then I think I have covered all the necessary things before going to start Power Builder. Okay, so it will help.
ओके सर।
Okay, so we will wind up
जी
now. अभी हम क्लोज करते हैं। ओके, चलो, ओके, बाय, थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग।
Okay.